So this is it when you're camping out in Australia and you've been there for 3 months and it's nearly Christmas and it's 30 odd degrees. You need to find some way to entertain yourselves at meal times. Rob, take it away. Okay guys, watch this. This is entertaining. The little guy there making all the noise. He's a bully. So what we've decided to do is feed everyone except for him. This is like tease nation. Yeah. Oh, it's over there now. Look, dude. Oh, I'm back. Oh, you're not quick enough. Oh, you want it? Come and get it. Oh, it's there. Look. Oh. He's a menace.